Okay, so the next question is 6.9. Which compound in each of the following pair will react faster in SN2 reaction with OH group? The first is given CS3Br or CS3I, and next is CS3 3 times CCl and CS3Cl. Now, before going further to the question, you should know what all things are important for SN2. You all know the SN2 depends on only one step. There is a back attack, right? And the speed of this reaction is basically depends on two things: the leaving group, that means the halogen which is attached, is it good halogen, iodine, big one which can leave easily, or the small one, fluorine and all that. Next, it depends on the steric hindrance. Steric hindrance means the crowdiness. Less the bulky group, faster the attack. If bulky group is too much, then it will be difficult for the nucleophile to come and attack. Now let us see the first question. CS3Br and CS3I. So this is the situation, and both of them, who is going to attack is a nucleophile OH minus. So the question is, who will leave this group early, bromine or iodine? CS3 is not having any role here because both are same. So OH minus will go attack this CS3, but here both of them are CS3, so it does not matter which CS3 will go first or allow first, because everything depends on this halogen. Now if you see bromine and iodine, iodine size is big. So iodine size is big, so the bond becomes longer. If the bond is longer, so it will break easily. So iodine is a better leaving group than bromine. So the answer for this question is CS3I. And what you will write as the answer, since both are methyl halide, very little steric hindrance, so the deciding factor here is the leaving group. I minus is a better leaving group than Br minus because of larger size, weaker bond. CS3I will react faster in this SN2 reaction. Now let us go to the second part, which is CS3 3 times CCl CS3Cl. Here if you see, here there are three. If you draw the structure, chlorine is like this: one CS3 here, one CS3 here, and one CS3 here. Now OH minus, when it comes, if you see, there is too much crowdiness because both are chlorine here, so the deciding factor is not chlorine anymore because both are having same side. The deciding factor is this R group. Already we discussed the steric hindrance will have importance. So tell me this OH minus, where it will be easy for it to attack? Obviously to this CS3Cl only, because here there is too much crowdiness, right? So the answer here is CS3Cl. So your answer you will write is here steric hindrance dominates. So tertiary butyl chloride, which is given, is having very high bulkiness. So SN2 is almost blocked here because all this CS3 group is big group, right? So your ideal answer should be like this. Since I minus is a better leaving group than Br minus, therefore CS3I react faster than CS3Br in SN2 reaction with OH minus. On second one, on steric hindrance, primary alkyde are more reactive than tertiary alkyde, therefore CS3Cl will react at a faster than this. Meaning, I hope you have already made you clear here who will go where and why. Okay, so I hope you understood. Thank you.